all just in Christmas clothes.
That's what I said.
It's all of them.
How did mine get there? Finally. I get something.
This one's yours is this blue. Wait, where's my...
Where is it?
Wait, this one's yours and
Oh,
this
there go
one's
mine.
Di's.
Yeah, this is mine.
This one's mine. This one's mine. Yeah.
Yours here?
You're right. Yours is right there. Mine's is right here. Mine's is right here. No, wait, where's my have a seat one? Where's my have a seat one?
Is one missing?
Yeah.
Oh.
I have all of my
Explain yourself.
laptops. I have all of mine.
What's up, guys? Welcome back.
Happy Saturday.
Happy Saturday and a happy Vlogmas day 13. So me and the girls, you notice we're missing one of our amigos here.
Amigo.
So, oop, walk this side. Because he don't look like he's slowing down either.
Oh.
Like, you see people walking, you just keep driving. Anyway, so Jasmine is going to a different event today, which she will talk about on her side of the vlog. Me and the girls are going to a movie screening for SpongeBob.
SpongeBob, big guy, pink, so pink.
Oh, okay. We got a whole dance and everything. So we're going to this movie screening. It's at the Avalon, so very convenient for us because we live pretty close. So we're going there early because they got games and all kinds of stuff. We had to throw on yellow because we're supposed to wear yellow for the SpongeBob event. So that's where we're going. So come join us.
Let's go ice skating.
Oh yeah, they put the ice skating ring up, right? You want to go see it? The Avalon is definitely straight up Christmas vibes with this ice skating ring. If you live in Atlanta and you're on the north side, you should definitely come check this out. And if you live in like Midtown, they have it at Atlantic Station also. I've seen it there. That one looks really nice. All right, girls, let's go ahead into the thing. All right, so we are going to Regal. The movie starts like 11 something, but we're going early for the events.
I'm collecting every single poster that I want.
Let's see it. Let's see it.
I already have Wicked, Zootopia, and now I have SpongeBob.
Right. All right. So we got our bands. Right. And we got the VIP.
I was looking at it. I'm like, we better be.
You were hoping to get one, huh? All right. So we're checked in. Now let's go see what else they got going on. We got some balloons. Oh. Really? All right, Royce. That's kind of a weak spin there, right? Yeah.
There we go. That was a good one. Sing one line from your favorite song.
One line from your favorite song.
What have we been listening to lately? What's been on repeat? What is the song that we are singing in our head every day?
Because you're singing in the house every day, so.
You can give me some K-pop demon hunters. You can give me something.
All right, there we go. All right, you get into it.
You got cramp. You got whatever you like. And expressions, I got some face masks, I got some balls, I got some stickers, I got some gibbets. My gibbets might be at the bottom.
Thank you.
Spin around 3 times, and you're gonna try to put the tie where his tie is. Okay, so
Got
there's
it?
your tie. And now you have to keep your eyes closed the whole time.
No cheating.
So close your eyes, spin 3 times. Okay. Now try to land his tie on SpongeBob. Go straight. You're doing good. Just keep going straight.
Oh, okay.
So you found the poster.
I feel like
I think your intuition is good. Pretty close.
Wow.
Pretty close.
That's awkward. Oh, it's a winner? What'd you win, babe?
I don't think we have this
Oh,
one. I think whatever this is. I get a squishy and I get a cup.
wow.
No, give me my thing.
Hey, that's your
this is
stuff.
mine. This is mine. I won this fair and square.
Oh, very nice, Ray. Okay.
A few moments later.
All right, so we just left SpongeBob. What do you think?
I really liked it. I really did.
You guys enjoyed it?
Yes. And I won my prize.
Yeah, Ray won like a dance contest. So,
Dance contest.
yeah, she was top 3 out of like probably like 50 kids. So,
Yeah.
all right, Royce, you were in the top 5.
Yeah.
Yeah, you just got eliminated. I feel like
But I didn't even move my hair.
he needed to get rid of 2 people, so you kind of got.
That group wasn't even moving though.
Yeah, I think he just needed to limit. He needed to bring it down to 3 people. So he was looking for anything to get rid of you. So that's how the game goes. Everybody couldn't win, but we have stuff in here. So you see they have all this little stuff. What we really like is the girls collect little golden books. So for us to get the little golden book at the screening is very cool because we collect these anyway.
Oh, I see the back.
Yep.
They have more springs.
Yeah, so very cool. Very cool. And it came in a little treasure box. All right, so we're gonna head home because I have to finish packing. I'm leaving for a trip. I have to actually go to work tonight, and from work, I'm gonna go straight to airport to a trip to a cruise, which you will see coming up. We're gonna get home, we're gonna get settled, we're gonna get a little bite to eat, and I'm gonna pack up, and then I gotta put some scrubs on and go to work. I know, oof is right, but I am going on a cruise, so can't be mad at that. All good?
Yep.
All right, let's roll.
Hey, 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 it's me by myself. All right, guys, so it's Saturday. It is December 13th. Woo! Vlogmas Day 13. And I am in Cumming, Georgia, which is just one little town up from where I live. And I am here for Laura's bridal shower. If you guys don't know who Laura is one half of Travel Spree. Travel Spree are also cruise content creators. They also do other types of travel as well. So go there and check them out. I met them back in 2021 on the first sailing of the Mardi Gras, and we've been friends ever since. So I'm so excited for Laura and Fane. I will be going to their wedding, but today we are celebrating her bridal shower. I have never been to a bridal shower before, so I'm excited to see what a bridal shower is all about. I mailed her gift. Like, she had a registry, so the Amazon thing, like, it mails the gifts to your house. So I feel weird walking there like with no gift in my hand, but the gift was mailed. So, all right, I'm getting ready to go inside and I'm excited for it. I'm not gonna I don't know, I guess I'll feel out to see like what I'll record and stuff like that. So yeah, I don't want to be doing too much, you know? All right, so let's go inside. All right, so we are doing making dresses out of toilet paper, and Vanessa is the model, honey. It's 3 teams, and we design. I think ours is really nice. Little cap sleeve, right? You know what? I'm gonna make your thing so it doesn't look so. Hold on.
Okay. These people.
Here comes the real bride.
Who's actually getting married? Yeah. Laura, here. Who's the bride? This sun is too much, isn't it? Yeah. We'll go over there. I figured that was.
Oh yeah. Wow. All the beautiful brides. There's only one real one there. Can you spot her?
Come on in, come on up, come on over for the merriest time of year. Come on up, come on in, get together for a good time. Smile, my dear. Come on in, come on up, come on over. We'll be dancing round the tree. So let us have a swinging Christmas just like